conversation.
Hello, everybody. My name is Dermesh Dyer, and this is my co-host, Mortimer Williams. This is Weather Vibes.
Welcome to Weather Vibes, a chat show which uses weather to start interesting conversations. And today's conversation starter is about something very interesting. It's about raining fish.
You mean raining men?
No, that's a song.
That's the song I beat you in the music quiz.
You wish you beat me in the music quiz.
All right, let's discuss that offline. But raining fish, Mortimer, it's actually something that's happened numerous times before. Let's put on our science caps. There we go. Looks quite good on you.
Thanks.
So a tornado or a water sprout will pick up, let's say, a frog.
Yeah.
Spins it around, takes it over the land, and then drops it down. So if you're a frog, what's the first thing that goes through your mind if the tornado picks you up?
Why?
A talking frog, first time.
Well, have you never seen the Princess and the Frog? Anyway, yeah.
And then what other animals can this thing pick up, you think?
Yeah, no, apparently there have been numerous cases where there's been creatures like snakes, worms, crabs.
Elephants?
No, not elephants. However, there have been reports of squid falling from the sky as well as alligators.
How am I going to explain that to my insurance company that my car got dented by a frozen alligator?
I suppose with much great difficulty.
Ouch.
Yeah, so
Ouch.
so basically, as you explained, the whichever animal it is gets lifted up and taken so high that it's actually encased in a very thin layer of ice or hail, after which it gets dropped down to the ground. So, ladies and gentlemen, there have been reports of alligators actually smashing car windscreens. Yeah, so if I were you, I know it's a very fascinating phenomenon to see a couple of alligators falling from the sky, but they are quite deadly. So
Freshly frozen to your doorstep. I was driving here, and on the radio, somebody called in and said, "Isn't it amazing how the weather can affect people's voices and their attitudes?" For example, let's say we're in the forest. It's raining, it's cold, it's miserable, and people are actually talking along those calm lines.
No.
Then you get me on the beach with my Speedo. Yeah, exciting, and everybody's excited, full of energy. It's amazing, don't you think?
Yeah, well, I know what windy sounds like. I also know what windy smells like.
What about misty? You know misty?
I know what misty looks like, but I don't know what misty sounds like, and foggy, for that matter.
Ever heard the term lightning is faster than sound?
Yeah, as quick as lightning.
Oh, as quick as lightning. Oh,
Yeah.
there you go. There we go. That's a
Yeah,
perfect
see,
example.
but my
Quick
thinking-
as lightning.
I know why. Because light moves faster than sound.
No. It's really because some people look smart until you hear them talk.
Well, moving swiftly along. So we have an amazing lineup today. A bit later on, I will be challenging Dermesh in our weather quiz. You are going down.
I've been studying all night and I am ready to win this one.
It's not going to help you. And Dermesh will once again be taking us on one of his amazing adventures to the Wild Coast.
It's going to be beautiful. The adventure awaits. This is Weather Vibes.
Welcome to Weather Vibes.
Mortimer.
Yeah.
I wish I could have taken you on this amazing journey, but as we know, your knees are not working.
It wasn't the knees. I was just tired. I wasn't feeling it.
You've got pneumonia.
Tell me about your journey. Tell me
All
about
right.
this.
We went to a beautiful game reserve called Mkambati,
Mkambati.
which is 4 hours from Umtata along the R61. So imagine this. We're driving there. By the way, we had a beautiful vehicle loaned to us by the Eastern Cape Development Corporation.
Wow.
Really, really great. And you actually need a sturdy vehicle to get there because you're going down these windy roads and it's beautiful mountains on the sides.
It's like
rainy.
nature reserve?
Absolutely.
Kind of a thing. So it's quite rugged. The
Rugged,
roads.
yeah.
Okay.
It's the wild coast. It's,
That's
obviously,
why it's called
obviously.
the Wild Coast.
So about 4 hours later, you get to this game reserve. It's absolutely stunning. What's amazing about it, that I found amazing, and I'm sure you and everybody else will, on one side you've got a river,
Yeah.
and about 20 kilometers on the other side, you have got another river. These are the natural boundaries. But here's the interesting part.
Yes.
It's raining, it's cloudy, there's thunder, but
Lovely.
there is an ocean rolling in.
Oh,
Now, I don't know about you, but I've always assumed nature reserves were inland, were
Yeah.
dry.
yeah, like the bushveld.
Exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah.
So here is something incredible. You drive around, you see the flora, you see the fauna, you see the animals and the cabins and the chalets.
Oh.
Absolutely
Oh.
amazing.
It makes me feel like just getting away, going on a lekker holiday, just a retreat, just to reset yourself. So tell me, how do I book for?
Well, firstly, the entire park and nature reserve is maintained by the Eastern Cape Parks and Tourism Agency.
Okay.
They're doing a fantastic job. Have a look at the website, visit Eastern Cape COSA, or hashtag visit Eastern Cape. You know the hashtags.
Oh yeah, because you're always saying your hashtag visit Eastern Cape. Well, makes sense now.
So you get there, you check into your room, you look at the amazing views, great flora, great animal life, and you can absolutely feel the tranquility, the calmness. And I tell you what was interesting. I think if I were to have gone there on a hot day,
Yeah.
I would have been just sweating. But the fact that we went when it was raining, it was cold, you could actually see the thunder over the ocean.
Wow. So, but I mean, I'm sure it will be hot because you
Oh,
are quite close to Durban
absolutely.
and you're close to Port Edward.
In fact, I think we're an hour.
An hour away, yeah.
You know, you feel tropical. You know, I feel I should be wearing my tropical hat and
Yeah,
you know,
but
walking around in
it still
shorts.
creates that atmosphere of, you know, the mistiness, that tranquility, as you were saying. I mean, the smell. I'm sitting there and I can actually smell the fresh air.
It
Wow.
was a great experience, and there is so much to do there. But let's not give too much away.
Please
Let's have a
don't.
look. Let's have a look, and maybe next time I'll actually take you with me.
There's no maybes. You are taking me with.
Have a look at this, folks. It's going to be an incredible ride right here on Weather Vibes. Welcome, my fellow travelers, to Dwesa Nature Reserve. This is a marine protected area, so you've got the game reserve,
Yes, sir.
and you've got the rivers on both sides, and you've got the ocean.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if somebody's coming here with their family and they want to enjoy the park, what can they actually do here? What facilities are here for us to enjoy?
Well, we've got chalets here which have got the same utensils and the bright facilities. We've got campsites, we've got caravan parks. Those are the activities we have. Similar with the things that are happening here on the coast, we've got Imana Wild Rhine. Even with the cyclists, they are able to do their cycling in here as prepared. And lastly, not least, but we've got what we call it, horse riding, and even people who are coming for the competition of doing fishing. Fishing competition is being allowed even
So-
here. There's a lot of activities usually.
So there's obviously a lot we can do here. There's fishing, there's horse riding. Can we swim on the beach here? Is it the rocks a bit too rough, or is it something we can try?
Well, we are very fortunate in our coast because we've got a combination of a coastal rocks and a sandy beach, which are so dynamic. So you've got your sandy beach, you've got your coastal rock and your coral reefs, you've got mangrove forest in Mbashe area.
Okay, so there's obviously a lot to do here,
lot to do.
and certainly not enough time. You know, we think we can actually spend a week here, but we don't have a week. But you're going to show us around.
We could explore.
The section ranger showed us where the best sites could be enjoyed, from crashing cliffs, biodiversity, hidden hiking paths, horse trails, and quiet beaches. Dwesa combines the appeal of a lush coastal forest with rolling open grasslands and a series of rivers and streams meandering through diverse landscapes. Zwesa is also home to over 290 bird species. We can go hunting, we can see the animals, we can go fishing.
We've got also tour guiding.
Tour guiding.
Tour guide,
Okay.
even bush, bird watching, even your hiking trails.
What a sight, what a day. Hashtag visit Eastern Cape.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is about that time when we do the weather versus music quiz. Only here on Weather Vibes.
Say it like you mean it. Weather vibes.
Weather Vibes.
This is going to get interesting.
I must break you.
Rocky versus Drago. Let's go.
Okay. Are you ready?
I was born ready.
Are you ready? Let's go. So.
Hey,
It's
no,
gonna
I get
be
worried when
right
it starts
down
like
now,
this.
So, what I'm doing for this round is multiple choice questions.
In other words, multiple guess.
Yeah, multiple guess. Are you ready? Here we go.
Ready.
Question number 1.
B. Okay, ask the question first.
Where will you find the Zonda winds? Is it A, Siberia, B, the Andes, C, Iranian desert, or D, Antarctica?
So when you say the Zondo winds, is that possibly like Johannesburg, Pretoria with the Zondo Commission? No. Okay. What's his first choice?
Siberia, Andes, Iranian desert, or Antarctica?
I've actually been to 2 of those places. So I am going to say, because I love climbing mountains all over the world, and I've been here. So it is, for $1 billion, trillion, jagillion Zim dollars, it is Andes.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, it is.
Would you like to phone a friend?
I don't have any friends to phone.
Okay, and you are correct. Well
Oh!
done. Okay, that's one. Okay. Question 2.
Question 2.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
What does Francis Beaufort have to do with wind? Is it A, made the first list of hurricane names? B, figured out why winds always blow from the north? C, created a wind force scale? Or is it D, Beaufort winds blow over Greenland?
Woo! You're putting me under pressure. Do I have the like 50-50 phone a friend?
No, that was only
Oh,
a
that was
bonus
a
for you for the
one time.
beginning. Yeah,
One time.
what
Okay.
does Francis Beaufort have to do with wind?
What was A again?
A was made the first list of hurricane names. B, figured out why winds always blow from the north. C, created a wind force scale. Or D, Beaufort winds blow over Greenland.
I really don't know this one. So it's between A and C. So I am going to go with Quizmaster. I'm going to go with C.
Are you sure?
Absolutely not. But I'm going with C anyway.
Are you like sure? I just want to make this sort of like fair.
Hey,
Are you sure?
now
sure?
you're casting doubt. You're casting
No,
doubt
no,
on
no,
the
no,
shadow.
no, no. I'm really honestly just want to know if you're sure. A, B, C, or D?
I'm going for C.
Unfortunately, the correct answer is C.
Oh, and for bonus round.
No, there's no bonus rounds over here. You got it right.
What
Okay.
was the gentleman's name? What was the gentleman's name?
Francis Beaufort.
It's actually Sir Francis
Well,
Beaufort.
Sir Francis Beaufort. Oh, he still got his thinking cap on. That's
Yeah.
why. Okay.
I'm on fire.
Righto.
I'm on
Question
fire.
3. Question 3. If you guys got it right at home, well done to you. If you got it wrong, sorry. Okay. Number 3. Huh.
1, 2, 3.
What does the Fujita scale measure? It sounds like something from Dragon Ball Z. Eh? What does the Fujita scale measure?
Sounds interesting.
Is it A, wind direction, B, tornado strength, C, hurricane strength, or D, the amount of dust or dirt in a wind? What does the Fujita scale measure? Is it A, wind direction, B, tornado strength, C, hurricane strength, or D, the amount of dust or dirt in a wind?
I am going to go with B for bravo. My final answer.
If you guys know the answer at home, feel free to text Mesh because he doesn't have a cooking clue. What does the Fujita scale measure? Is it A, wind direction, B, tornado strength, C, hurricane strength?
I'm still going with B.
Are you going with B? Is that your
B
final answer? Are you sure?
For bravo.
It gives me great pleasure to say that he is absolutely correct.
Am I still winning your car after
you
this
ain't
quiz?
winning nothing. You win a brownie point. That's all you get.
Chocolate brownie with ice cream?
Yeah, I'll give you a muffin. It's cheaper.
Hey.
Okay. Righto. Question 4.
4.
Are you ready? This is your last one. Okay. What is the name of the strong western winds that are found at 40 to 50 degrees in the southern hemisphere? What is the name of the strong western winds that are found at 40 to 50 degrees in the southern hemisphere? Is it A, festive 40s, B, roaring 40s, C, fatal 40s, or D, raging 40s? What is the name of the strong western winds that are found at 40 to 50 degrees in the southern hemisphere?
I got the answer.
Yes,
answer.
tell me.
My 2 best subjects in school was
Home economics?
English
Learn how
and
to
geometry. English and geometry.
Geometry. Learn how to fry an egg in geometry. Okay.
And then I dabbled a little bit in geomography.
Geomography.
So I know this. This is number B.
Okay. Is it A, festive 40s, B, roaring 40s, C, fatal 40s, or D, raging 40s?
B. I'm going for number 2.
Are you
B.
sure?
Absolutely. I'm winning that car. I'm winning that eco vehicle of yours this afternoon.
Yo, if this was Who Wants to Be a Millionaire. You are 100% correct. Well done.
That is 4 out of 4.
4 out of 4. It helps when the producer actually gives you the questions up front. So you studied quite hard last night. Right. Okay.
Hold on.
No.
We're not done.
Okay.
We're not done.
Continue. Yeah. Oh, you're but a loss for words
Yeah,
over there. Forgot
yeah.
a train of thought
It's,
just went whoop.
It's payback
Yeah.
time. It's payback
What's
time.
payback time? Yes.
Because I believe that
I
I
can
also
fly.
have a few questions for you.
Gooi het, papi. And so just to clarify, this is music driven, am I right?
Music versus weather. Whether or not you win, we'll see.
Everywhere you go,
So-
you always take the weather with you. Okay, I'm cool. Let's go.
Quizmaster is here. I'm the quizmaster now. 5 questions. I'm going to give you the clues.
And I have
And
to guess the title?
The title of the song.
Perfect. Go
Right.
for it.
First one. If you're driving on the highway and the cars bump into each other, what happens?
No, that was this morning. That's nasty.
Buckle up. We say that the 2 vehicles,
Collided.
another word with a C,
Crash.
there we go. That's the second word. First word. Clouds, thunder, what comes out of the sky?
Lightning crash.
There we go. From a band by
That guy's
Live.
live.
Lightning crashes.
Lightning
Ooh.
crashes.
This is something everybody in Gauteng experiences. violent something storms. Think of what comes out of the storms. That's the noise that it makes.
Thunder.
There we go.
Struck.
No, almost there, almost there. Let's think. The oceans, which are being really pushed now by climate change. What happens to the waves as they come in? What's the term? The waves come.
Rolling thunder.
There we go. So it's
The rolling thunder.
no. What was your first word? What comes out of the clouds?
Yeah.
Thunder.
Thunder.
And then what?
Rolling.
Thunder.
Thunder rolling.
Thunder rolls. Thunder rolls.
Oh my. It's something that I normally eat with chips that you put in there, and you can put a burger. You call it a roll.
Because you're struggling, I'm going to give
Who's
you. I'm
struggling?
going to give you the band names.
Yeah, give me the band name.
Creedence Clearwater
Clearwater
Revival. Okay.
Yes.
You have something that you hold over your head.
Umbrella.
What does it stop from falling on you?
Yeah. The rain.
There we go. Think of a song by Creedence.
Have you ever seen the rain?
There we go. I mean, do I have to spell
I
it?
wanna know. Have you ever seen the rain?
Can
I
we-
know that song. I like that song.
Okay. I was going to
Go.
cut you there, but it's
No,
fine.
don't cut me.
Okay. Ooh.
Ooh,
This is
owl.
This is Guns N' Roses.
Yeah. Sweet child of mine.
No, no, no,
Welcome
no,
to
no,
the
no.
jungle.
What month did we just have before this month?
What are we now? November. November rain.
There we go. And remember, our last month is November because in South Africa, December is just a lifestyle.
Hey, I got you, yo.
Right, this should be an easy one for somebody who claims to know music and is a bit of a musician.
A bit of a musician.
Jimmy Cliff.
Yes.
Jimmy Cliff.
I can see clearly
Oh,
now.
that was
I can
too
see
easy.
clearly now.
I think-
the rain is gone.
I think you've cheated. I think
didn't
somebody
cheat.
gave you this.
Hell no.
So what is the score here?
The score now, I think we are even Stevens. I
Even
think we
Stevens
need a
for
bit
now.
of a tie break. Okay.
After the break, I think let's do a tie break. How's
I
that?
think we should take a break just to think about this. Only on Weather Vibes.
Weather vibes.
I'm going to give Dermesh first option to hit me with a question, and I'm going to give him
Oh,
something
I
back
am
afterwards.
going to hit you hard.
Let's go.
Right. It's a serious one here.
Sure.
The weather and climate change is affecting the planet in terrible ways. Right? Here's the clue. The clue is
El Nino.
no. Hold on. In the 1950s and 60s and 70s, these things could rise up from the water. Man-made things, they could rise up from the water. But they couldn't do it over the Arctic because the ice was too thick. But now they can rise up anyway and breach the ice. What is that contraption called?
A submarine.
There we go. Okay, that's the second word.
Yellow submarine.
Oh, come on.
By the Beatles.
Oh, jeez, man. Give me a chance at least. But
Sorry.
on
When
a-
you knows.
But on a serious note,
Yeah.
climate change is affecting our planet.
100%.
And now the fact that these nuclear-powered submarines can breach the ice anyway because it's getting so thin is a cause for concern.
It is really scary.
So
it is really scary.
we
and
must do
it's-
our bit for the climate. It's important. It's our only planet.
At least we can agree on something.
Right.
Okay, I'm going to hit you with a question. This has got to do with climate, with weather,
Okay.
etc., which is sort of your forte. Okay, here we go. What do you call the phenomenon where air moves down the side of a mountain, which is also known as the escarpment? And as it picks up speed, it heats up. What is that phenomenon called?
Firstly, you do know that I'm a pilot, and I do study these things. And it's getting hot in here. That's all I'm going to say. It's getting hot in here.
You're going
So,
to say it's a cloud.
so as the wind comes down the mountain, it loses moisture.
Okay.
It gets hot and it gets dry. So, I'm going to go with bergwind.
Wrong, it's a bergwind, man. If you're from Cape Town, you say it's a bergwind, not
E-
a bergwind.
either way,
well
it's
done.
either way-
You are completely correct.
Either way, it's getting hot in here and hot in our planet.
And
So we've got to
please-
be careful.
Yeah, 100%. So I guess we're going to leave it at that. I think it's a
tie.
draw for now.
A tie.
Well done. Oh, we can't touch.
No.
Don't just touch.
Sandy.
touch. We'll do the elbow thing.
Yeah.
So, ladies and gentlemen, join us next time right here on Weather Vibes, where I am going to whip him into shape with a proper question that is going to stump him completely.